Good evening, viewers. This is the Wolf Times News Desk bringing you the top story this Tuesday, October 21st, 2025. Khamenei rejects Trump's talks offer, denies US destroyed nuclear sites. In a sharp response to recent remarks by US President Donald Trump, Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei has firmly rejected any new talks with Washington, calling Trump's approach coercive, predetermined, and nothing short of bullying. Khamenei's statement comes just a day after President Trump told the Israeli parliament that it would be great if Washington could negotiate a peace deal with Tehran, particularly after the Gaza ceasefire between Israel and Hamas took effect last week. Speaking to senior officials in Tehran, Khamenei dismissed Trump's claims that the United States and Israel had destroyed Iran's nuclear capabilities during the June air war, saying, quote, "The US president proudly says they bombed and destroyed Iran's nuclear industry. Very well, keep dreaming." He further criticized Washington's interference in Iran's internal affairs, adding that America had no right to dictate whether Iran could maintain nuclear facilities or not. Earlier this year, the United States and Iran engaged in 5 rounds of indirect nuclear negotiations, but talks collapsed amid escalating tensions. The breakdown was followed by a 12-day air campaign in which Israel and the US targeted suspected Iranian nuclear installations. Western powers continue to accuse Iran of covertly pursuing a nuclear weapon through uranium enrichment, while Tehran insists its program is purely for civilian energy purposes. Diplomatic sources in Vienna have suggested that despite Khamenei's remarks, backdoor communication channels between Tehran and Washington remain technically open through regional intermediaries. Political analysts say Khamenei's rejection signals a hardening stance within Tehran's leadership, one that could complicate ongoing peace efforts in the broader Middle East following the Gaza ceasefire. Some Western diplomats fear the exchange could escalate tensions once again, potentially impacting oil markets and regional security coordination. However, Iranian officials have reiterated that any negotiation must take place on equal footing without what they term American pressure or preconditions. So the question tonight, will this rejection mark the end of any possible US-Iran reconciliation under the Trump administration? Or could quiet diplomacy still pave the way for a new nuclear understanding? Tell us what you think. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. This is the Wolf Times News Desk. Fast, fearless, and focused.